Haha, surprise! I have a tutorial for y'all. And listen, y'all better watch it because this took me hours to edit from the live that I did. But baby, let me put it like so a screenshot how long this thing I had to crop. Boop. So yeah, I appreciate it. So we're just gonna get into it. So I'm using the Glistening Cosmetics Spectra Base and the Light Pastel foundation all over my face as the main attraction. And I'm blending out with my Real Technique 241 brush, which you can get this on Amazon. And now I'm taking a mixture between the P. Louise Rumor Base Zero and the foundation of the pastel from Glistening Cosmetics. And I'm blending it out as my first layer of concealer. And now I'm taking the correction concealer from Tarte and the Shape Tape in white. Then to also make that gritty effect of like a contour, I'm taking the purple Spectra Base from Glistening Cosmetics to basically give like the depth into my face. I prefer to use a Beauty Blender's little spongy sponge little situation besides my nose contour. And I'm taking the deep blue to basically deepen up that contour and how I want it to be. Because I really want that basically blue-purple undertone. Especially to match my wig and basically how I had it from last year. And I'm going back in with the residue of the pastel purple that we had on to basically blend out seamlessly. You can tell the difference from the side to side. Now I'm using the Laura Mercier right under eye in the number 1. Now, I don't have the RMCA, but it's kind of, to me, like the same thing because it's very, like, translucent. Like, it don't give any, like, color payoff, but it mattifies. Now, I'm using the Glistening Cosmetics Spectra Base pressing powder in the white. Now, I'm going in with Blend Bunny Sickling Sweep to basically bring back the color from the translucent powder from basically, like, kind of muting my color. And the shade I use is Frills and Thrills. Now to bring it a little bit highlighted, use Crybaby from the same palette. Now I'm going with basically Blend Bunny's Machina. I'm using the shade Emote all over my perimeter of my contour. Now I'm taking that same brush and using the shade Glitch. Now I'm using the Spectra Base pressing powder in the shade Dark Blue to basically make that blue undertone. And then to bring some blush and some basically blood flow, like I'm actually a real avatar, I'm using the Bare blush palette from Blend Bunny Cosmetics. I'm going back with that Emote shade to basically bring some depth to my nose. And I'm using the Jaclyn Hill liquid lipstick in the shade Empowered to basically bring that flesh tone nose from the avatar. Now I'm basically going back with the shade Glitch to basically deepen it, and also Emote to bring that basically depth into the face for my stripes. And then also I'm using the Suva Beauty shade Space Panda to carve out the hearts that's in my stripes, while also using the Glistening Cosmetics wet liner in the shade Grape. Now I'm using the Dual Lash Glue Freeze to basically apply my glitter. Listen, only with the hearts, not the whole thing, only with the hearts, baby. And then you rinse and repeat all over the body. Now I'm using that same white liner that I used from the Silver Beauties to create tiny hearts as though they are tiny little spots, even though I go back and use the dotting tool. So I'm using the nail rhinestones that you get from Kiss Cosmetics from the nail kit. And for my lips, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeliner pencil from the Dark Horse collection, and I'm also using the NYX Smooth in the shade Berry Bed Sheets, and also using About Face matte liquid eye paint in the shade No Queen Blues, and then using the same liquid lipstick from Jaclyn Hill to basically ombre my lips, and then also turn around and using White Noise from About Face. Then I'm using Blend Bunny's Not Lucent highlighter palette in the shade Far Out to give it that wet look. Now this wig is from Megalux. This is a 18-inch. Even though they was supposed to send me out a regular 18-inch, they kind of sending me out a blunt cut 18-inch wig. And FYI, none of these products I have used. I am not a part of no ambassador or PR. I'm getting out the paint, y'all. The earrings are from Akira. The fangs are from Amazon, and also the ears. So this look took me 9 hours, I know, but I don't have an airbrush machine, so I hope y'all appreciate a creative makeup artist basically get it out the mud. And now I got me to crash out and make this tutorial 3 minutes before Instagram.